Greetings from Ekudden, this nudist beach spot on the Lake Flaten and the same named nature reserve. It is 20th of March and believe it or not, the lake is still frozen, or at least most part of it, as you can see. And I haven't done beach adventure in Sweden for the past 10 days. And now it's time to resume the beach adventures, and I have come here at Ekudden because the video from here 2 weeks ago made me a lot of views. So let's continue with that. And I got here with my Scott gravel bike. It took me 20 minutes, 8.5 kilometers. Now, if you remember in that episode, I was trying to break the ice on the other end of the beach, but it was impossible to go through. Now the ice is a bit more it's a bit less thicker, so it would be actually easier right now, to be fair, to go in. But I think that it is better on the other end, as it felt a bit more deeper on the other side where I started the video. But even here it looks quite nice. And yeah, a nudist beach spot like this, there are many in the Swedish nature. And believe it or not, now it is 11 degrees Celsius in the air. And let's see what the thermometer says, as it was 2 to 3 degrees 2 weeks ago, 10 days ago exactly. And we can see now what does the thermometer says here. Hope it is warm. Okay, it is 4 degrees Celsius, so that's why the ice is melting. You can see here is no ice, but further down it's quite a lot of ice. With the beautiful Lake Flaten, I'm going to visit a lot this spring and autumn, so you will be, if you are subscribed to my channel, you will see a lot more beach adventures from this beautiful lake. And there are a lot more nudist beach spots around the lake on the north side, and the public beaches are on the south. All right, so let's get going. I'm actually have a common cold, but I really wanted to ice down a bit, so let's then see what we can do. If we can go in here, or maybe we will need to go at another spot. You see, the ice is melting, and it's very easy to break through. But it is freezing, I'm not gonna lie. It is still freezing cold. Still freezing cold. So, oh, it's so satisfying now, look. Amazing. It's now very easy to break the ice, you see? Ice crusher. Beautiful. Amazing. Okay, here it is quite good to go in for a quick dip. And you see, the ice is melting, and soon we will have no ice left in Stockholm. But 20th of March, the day is today. And yeah, I really hope also you like my new haircut as well. So guys, we are ready to go in for a very quick ice dip in the Lake Flaten. Are you ready? Because I am. Ready, oops, set, and go! That was nice. That was amazing. That was amazing. That was ice cold, but also ice gold. um, all right, so now I can come here. I know it's very convenient for me. It's only 20 minutes ride from my home, but I definitely need to get out right now here at Ekudden Flaten because I might also freeze. But 5 degrees, it's actually warm. So yeah, with that, it's time to wrap up this beach adventure from Ekudden in Flaten and the semi-frozen lake. And looking forward to a lot more spring beach adventures in Sweden. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.